Hi James, it's Papa Ed and Randy, and today we have Little Blue Truck Springtime. Oh, I love this springtime. Yes, you do. And here we go. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend a Toad. Oh, Toad is his good friend. It's a yoo-hoo, sky blue, spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Who do they see along the way? Let's find out. Yoo-hoo, sheep, beep, beep, what's new? I wonder what's new with the sheep. A little white lamb. And a twin lamb, too. Oh, a twin lamb. Yes, indeed. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, a duck and a ducklings, a 9. Ooh, the duck and her 9 ducklings. Yoo-hoo, goat. What do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo, cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf, just adorn. Oh, a newborn calf. How exciting. Mama Pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo, piglets. 1, 2, 10. That's right, Randy. She has 10 piglets. Ears in clover. That looks funny. Hippity hop. Yoo-hoo, bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth, round dome? Crickety crack! Everybody shout! Yoo-hoo, chick! Come on out! Come on out, chick. Yoo-hoo, sun! Yoo-hoo, sky! Yoo-hoo, white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo, string! Deet, deet, deet. That's right, the truck does go beep, beep, beep. All right, James, Little Blue Truck Springtime. Bye for now.